Sonic. Sonic, but he's going to be grabbing for the power ring, and you're going to kind of look up at him, okay? It's a full body pose. I think it's really dynamic and cool. Stick around, okay? Stick around right here, and you're going to learn how to draw Sonic. I think this is easy, but I'll give an intermediate warning, okay? But don't worry about it. 8 minutes. Let's jump right into how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Alrighty, let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw actually the hand of Sonic. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line out here, curve for the finger. Curve underneath. Pull that over here. That over here, curve underneath. Out, down, over here, curve underneath. Curve, curve. Curve right here. We're gonna have actually the cuff of the glove. Forgive me, by the way, I went too quick on that front. But essentially, you're just drawing like these like sausage shapes for the hand, right? You gotta have that opposable thumb out. That's kind of a big thing. Just gonna pull a line back here, just straight line like a straw. That's gonna be Sonic's arm. Curve over here for the belly of Sonic, and we're gonna keep it curving. Out over here, down. Out over here, and down. Line in. Curve in. And we're gonna pull out there. That's a tail, right? And that's gonna like link up with the back of the leg. At least that leg. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the other leg down here, right? Because that's what's happening. He's stepping into it. Line down. Over here. And that line down is going to be kind of the shoe. Over here for the sock. Down over here. We got that sock there. I'm going to get another... Honestly, if you guys want to donate, go check out the link in the description. It's 100% spent on markers, colored and not. These black markers die pretty quick. And that's all I use on the channel. I use them so you guys can see better. Line out over here for the shoe. Down. Curve line down here. And over here, down here for kind of split that shoe, right, for the texture here. Line over here, down, curve over here, down over here, line over here, down, square, square. So we have that portion on the side of the shoe. Curve, curve for that white line, curve, curve over here. Remember, Sonic has a different colored belly, so we're going to draw a thin line right there for that color exchange. So far, we haven't even drawn his head. So his head, his bottom of his mouth is going to be hidden behind the belly a little bit because we're looking up at him. So curve on that side. Right here on this side. Curve on this side. Down. Line up, down, in. Curve up, smile. Over here on this side. Down. Up right there. Got that gravestone shape for his eye. Pulling up, down over here. Curve for that far side eye. Gonna go over here, have the brow. Line. Line, line. Out over here, down. Curve. So let's go over here for the other ear. It's going to be another triangle, right? For the inner ear first. And then we're going to put a like a triangle hood shape over that. Okay, let's go over here back. And we're going to draw one spike, which is like obviously just a triangle. Curve down here, and then another one. Circle. Circle here, and then dot here. Curve. Line here. Line. And I'm just kind of fixing the lines there. Okay, so let's go here. So things are behind each other, and that's kind of what we're doing. We're putting them in layers. So his line over here for the hand sticking back, but his head is in the way, right? Curve right there. You only see half of the cuff of the hand. And then you're going to see his thumb sticking out here. And then right here, we're going to draw a circle, curve. And then right here, we're going to draw a finger, 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 circle here, curve. And honestly, that's mostly it. What I'm doing now is I'm just trying to like give them a little bit more of, I'm trying to thicken out the lines because I got this new marker halfway in. So now I can actually like, you know, see my lines. Don't forget to hit that like button, by the way. When you hit like, it does a lot for the channel, like a lot. You have no idea. It kind of helps your algorithm out and just kind of brings a good vibe to the channel, especially when you share it. That's like over the top. When you share it, I can actually tell when you share. I'm like, oh, somebody's shared it, because I can just tell there's like a little bit more nice comments, stuff like that. And if you really want, you can throw some shine on here because he's got that power ring, right? I think that's what they call them, power rings. Right on. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. One of the thing is, if you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments. I'm gonna reply to every single hi. I'm not joking. Okay? Test me. Go back to old videos and say hi. Not even joking. Test me. Okay? I will do it. I will do it. I hope I'm not like, you know, screwing myself up by doing that. But anyways. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.